Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread. Preheat your oven to the suggested temperature and prepare a greased loaf pan right away, then mash ripe bananas until smooth and slightly chunky. Whisk dry ingredients separately, mix wet ingredients together, combine gently, and fold in extras like nuts or chocolate. Pour batter evenly, bake until a skewer comes out clean, cool briefly in the pan, then remove and slice to serve warm. In this video, I will show how to make banana bread. Measure ingredients ahead and keep butter soft, but not melted for easier creaming with sugar, then stir in mashed bananas and vanilla. Use brown sugar for deeper flavor, and consider 1/4 cup of yogurt for extra moisture if bananas are small. Fold in chopped walnuts or chocolate chips gently, and remember to scrape the bowl so nothing is wasted before pouring into your prepared pan. In this video, I will show how to make banana bread. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting multiple timers while you bake and for playing baking playlists hands-free, making the kitchen feel lively. It's compact and easy to use, and it pairs well with any routine. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make banana bread. Place the loaf in the center of the oven and avoid opening the door too often, then bake until the top is golden and a skewer comes out clean. Let the loaf cool on a rack in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes to set, then gently transfer to finish cooling. Wait until slightly warm before slicing so crumbs settle and slices hold shape when plated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.